Alright friends, in this video we'll be covering up a quick overview of how you can automate your TradingView signals into your MT5 based broker account. To do that, first of all, you'll have to log into your TradeSignal account. So over here, let me just log in from my side. So once you're logged in, you need to move to the signals. So this is where all the things gonna happen. This is where all the automation will be done. Right, so as you can see, the bots, the name of the bots that we have on my account, the IDs, so these are the unique IDs that you can use, and the brokers that I can link into. So if you would have seen the earlier video, as I told you that you can automate your TradingView signals into any of your MT5 based broker account. So you can mention your broker over here, you can add your trading account, and you can check the status, which are connected, which are disconnected. So if you go over here, let me just pull this up. You can go to brokers, you can add whatever brokers that you need from here. So you can have the automation done for the demo accounts on your MT5 broker, or you can go for the live execution. So it will work both ways. So what are things that you need for the automation? One login and one password. That's all, and you're ready for the automation. So over here, as you can see that I already have some of the bots connected. So if I just pull up this sample bot, if I click over here, I can see the timestamps, when the signals were executed in my broker account, time received, time finished. So with zero latency, you'll be able to execute your signals on whatever symbols that you have defined. It could be Euro USD, it could be XAU USD. If you click on this, you get the signal ID. So you get the process duration. So, and other metrics. So you get the commands, whether it was a long short command, the take profit levels or the stop loss levels that you have defined. If you click on the view info, so this is the configuration of the bot that needs to be done on your TradingView account. So we'll see that and verify it in a short while, like this. So this is the unique ID for this particular bot. And like I mentioned that you can have the automation for n number of bots on TradingView and automate it. So let us just see over here. Let's say that if I am trading on the XAU USD, so you can see the buy or the sell signals which are generated over here. I can change the time frames, and accordingly my trades would be fired like this. I can verify it over here. It could be a scalping bot, it could be an intraday or a positional or a swing trading bot that I can automate. Okay, so all of these things that you have activated, so all of these things can be accessed remotely. You need not turn on your systems 24/7. This is something that you can access remotely. If you would like to track the positions, you can do it from your side. Let me just pull this up. If I click on the setup info, so this is the configuration that I have. If I go to brokers and I pull up my broker, so as you can see that this is something which is connected with my VPS. So if you have subscribed to the TradeSignal plan, so you get a VPS inclusive in this $45 plan. So you need not open your MT5 broker account to track your positions from here itself. In a few moments I'll show you how you can track your positions in your MT5 account. So currently, as you can see, that my MT5 VPS terminal is already connected. So if I click over here, then I am redirected to my MT5 account. So I can see the exposure over here like this. I can see the history, what all things that are being done. I can track the positions, all the things. Let's say if I were to place the trades manually, I'll be able to do that. Whatever watch list that I've defined over here, I'll be able to automate those trades using my TradingView account. I can access it using my mobile app. I can access it using my web app. So this is something that is pretty cool, and you can track your positions when you're traveling or when you're busy. The bot will take care of all your entries and the exits. As you can see what the bot has done over here. So you'll be able to check it out like this. That is great. Alright, so I hope you understood a quick walkthrough of how you can automate your TradingView signals with TradeSignal. Let me just get back. Okay, so here I am back to TradeSignal. So all of these things are being taken care by the TradeSignal platform. So I hope you understood a glimpse of what and how a powerful tool we have built for TradingView automation. So we'll be having some detailed videos upcoming for you to understand more about this exceptional tool that we have. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.